Guys, welcome back to another video, and it's your girl Kiissi Unstoppable, and today I'm gonna make for you some saltfish and butter bean slash broad bean. So this is my saltfish right here, so stay tuned, I'll be right back.
Girl, better can't cook. Think you that you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna wash my seasoning and I'm gonna cut them up, my peppers, my honey, and my scallion, and my scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm gonna dice them up and I'm gonna saute them. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process. And here is my butter bean. My scallion, my onion, my peppers are beautifully cut. I'm gonna saute them right now. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil in my pan. I'm gonna add some garlic, chopped garlic. I'm gonna add in my seasonings. So now guys, I'm gonna add a little ketchup because I don't have any tomato. So this works out just the same. I'm gonna add some sweet chili sauce to it. So now I'm gonna add my saltfish in, already boil, and pick the bone from it. So I'm gonna saute my saltfish. I'm gonna put a little all-purpose. You can put any seasoning of your choice. So now guys, I'm gonna add my butter bean. I already washed it off, drain it from the water, and then wash it with different water, some warm water. So now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Guys, this is a simple and easy meal. You come in from work and you're tired and you don't want to cook no chicken, nothing hard. You just want something simple. You can just whip up a simple meal like this. It's very easy, and the price is good also. You don't have to go to the restaurant. It's much cheaper than going to the restaurant. Because for the saltfish is like $5 something, the beans is like $1.99, and then you know the onions and stuff, the price is not bad. So, and if you like to cook, you can use your hand and turn fashion in the kitchen, you understand? So I'm gonna have this with some dumpling, some yellow yam, and some cassava. So I'm gonna share it and let you guys see the finished product of my saltfish with butter beans. This is what I'm gonna have my saltfish with butter bean. So I have some dumplings in there. I have some yellow yam. You can see that good old Chilani yellow yam. I'm just kidding guys. And I have some cassava in there also. Okay guys, that's the final product of my saltfish and butter bean. Look at that. You know what time is it? All I want you guys to do, just like up this video, share this video out, comment down below, let me know what you think about this lovely saltfish and butter bean. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? And don't forget to hit me up on Instagram at Kiissikitchen at Instagram. Until next time, I'm out.